now the time is to hear from the chair, and I would like to invite Mr. Fakhruddin G. Ibrahim to come on his podium and share your thoughts.
You want to sit and talk?
No, I would like to shuffle. Friends, first of all, I am grateful to Sana for inviting me this afternoon. It has been a very rewarding experience, and I was really looking forward to meet my friends from Sindh today. I was really very happy. Sir, you did very well in acknowledging the services of Mr. Karim Lodi. He was secretary to the government of Sindh when I was governor, and the only bureaucrat that I know of who told the Prime Minister in my presence, "Prime Minister, you are wrong. Prime Minister, you are wrong." Then you rewarded my friend Sobo Gyanchandani. Unfortunately, never a forgotten man in my mind. The man responsible, he was the first person to be detained under preventive detention law. He was the first person who had challenged it. He was the first person who succeeded in it. And he has remained a freedom fighter all his life. Then, sir, you also honored Nurul Huda, a fighter for women's causes. I read her in Dawn, and at least, these are the persons who give us reasons to be alive. These are the persons who give us reasons to be alive. And finally, Mr. Ibrahim Joyo coming here to us in his advanced age. I tell you, my admiration, I knew the man very well. I know him very well. But आप बताएं कि the senior most progressive writer in the country today is from Sindh. And he is before us today. What more can we ask for? I tell you, Sana, you do not know what you have done to us. Sana, you do not know what you have done to us. देखिए, I have reached green years of my life. I hear less, I see less, but my enthusiasm is still with me. And today, Sana has contributed and has increased to my enthusiasm. देखिए, एक कमरे में 100 by 100 at the most. So many intellectuals from Sindh collected together and to talk about Sindh. I am telling you, it's a rewarding experience for me, for all of us. My hats off to Sana. So many leaders of the community present at one time and are prepared to speak their mind without fear and without favor. Sir, I am still, one thing is come, with you people around, I can't lose all my enthusiasm. My enthusiasm still remains with me. I must tell you one thing, sir, ladies and gentlemen, I am a beneficiary of Sindh. I am a beneficiary of Sindh. And I don't like the word Muhajir. I come from Bombay. At the most you can call me ex-Muhajir. And sir, and ladies and gentlemen, how can a person who is born in Sindh, in Karachi, call himself a muhajir? It is beyond me. It is really beyond me. As I said earlier, I am a beneficiary of sin. And let me tell you what happened. I came here in the year 1951. And I didn't know anybody here. I came from Bombay. And I went to Karachi University. There was a post of an assistant lecturer in international relations, Karachi University, and I had applied for it, and my weight was what it is today, and my height could not be more. In 5 minutes, I was said goodbye. They thought, how could I possibly control the students? I was told later on. But a few days later, somebody told me that Hassan Ali Rahman, principal in Sindh Law College, wants to see you. Now I thought to myself, I don't know who this gentleman is. He must be some Sindhi gentleman whom I do not know. I went there, I saw him, and immediately recognized he was there at the university when I had gone for my lecture, for my appointment, and he was one of the persons sitting in to examine the candidates. And I therefore recognized him. And sir, he asked me one question. Young man, what do you want to do? I said, sir, I don't know what I want to do. I don't know whether I want to join foreign service because I had done diploma in international relations, whether I wanted to teach, whether I wanted to do law. He said, young man, you are a lecturer in Sindh Muslim College from tomorrow, 200 rupees a month, and you can take your own time to decide what you do what you want to do with yourself. And that, sir, a Sindhi gentleman telling me, and my life changed after that. Please understand that. What I cannot understand is, I have never understood. मैं आपको बताऊं, there was आप कमाल की बात है, बेटी है भी, एम्बेसडर है, वो अलग बात है. But he was my benefactor. His brother was my benefactor. Two people from Sindh, from Karachi, Sindh, Tufail Ali Abdur Rahman and Hassan Ali Rahman were my benefactors. But let me tell you that apart. This was told to me by first Grand Controller of Karachi, Mr. Mohsin Siddiqui. When I was governor, I had very difficult task because I was supposed to be a man go between the Muhajirs and the Sindhi ministers and whatnot. So it was a very difficult task. So he once came to see me and he told me something very interesting. He said, देखो फखरू भाई, मैं जब आया था और मैं जब रैंक कंट्रोलर था तो मुझे पावर था to allot properties, vacant properties which the Hindus has left behind. And he tells me कि आप ताजुब हो जाएंगे कि ये सब प्रॉपर्टीज वैसे खाली रही, यहाँ लोकल सिंधी ने उसका कब्जा नहीं किया, unlike in Punjab. And I have allotted those land, those flats to Muhajirs in Karachi. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि अब वो ज़माना, अब we are all, कह दो अपने आप को, कहना चाहे तो न्यू सिंधीज, but we are all Sindhis. That's the end of the line. और मैं आपको बताऊँ, देखिए मैं आपको बताऊँ, my experience with Sindhis, I have not yet met a Sindhi who was a fool. He is a man with great common sense, though common sense is not so common, but he is a person with great common sense. और आपको बताऊं कि देखिए हिंदुस्तान से वकील आए, बार लोग कहते थे मेरे पास डिग्री नहीं है, एनरोलमेंट चाहिए. Hassan Ali Rahman was chairman of some committee which had to certify whatever it was. So they went to him and they said, sir, I am an advocate from so and so place in India. तो सली भाई asked him, where is your certificate? सर सर्टिफिकेट तो सब भूल आए, वहाँ है नहीं. अच्छा, will you swear an affidavit that you were a lawyer there? He said, yes sir, I will swear an affidavit. Mr. Hassan Ali Rahman would enroll him as an advocate. देखिए क्या बताएं आपको. Why are all these differences? Nothing of the kind. ये बता दूं आपको, ये बात तो इतनी दिमाग में आती है जो पूछो नहीं. रोज सुबह 5 बजे उठ जाता हूँ और ये कहना है और वो कहना है और ये करना है और वो करना है, और बट स्टिल इट इज़ वेरी एक्साइटिंग. आपको बताऊँ मैं, अब आपको मैं थोड़ी बात बता दूँ जो मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी. फ्लड रिलीफ में हम काम करने गए, 2 जगह गए. पहले फ्लड रिलीफ में गए, अभी फ्लड रिहेबिलिटेशन कर रहे हैं. और मैं आपको ये बता दूँ, ये भाई have a cause, add to its sincerity, money is no problem. Have a cause, add to its sincerity, money is no problem. अभी भी मेरे पास पैसे, मेरे इंस्टीट्यूशन के पास बहुत पैसे पड़े हुए. और देखिए मैं आपको बताऊं कि हमारे यहाँ बड़े ज़बरदस्त लोग बड़े काम कर रहे हैं. हाँ, प्लीज डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट देम. आई नो ऑफ ए स्कूल which I have something to do with it. One day, it's in Ibrahim Haidari, some locality which is very far, and there was a function that I went there. This girl at 11 years old, and it's a free school by the way, and she gave some presentation to me in English. She was hardly 11 and 12 years old, and I asked her what your father is doing, and he said, my father is a fisherman. My father is a fisherman.